How to use hidden features in Google Maps. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use hidden features in Google Maps that can seriously upgrade your experience. Let's jump right in. First, to use Live View for walking directions, open Google Maps, go to the search bar, and search for your destination. Once you searched, then tap Directions, and choose Walking. After that, tap on Live View. Now lift your phone and point the camera straight ahead. You'll see arrows and directions appear over real-world streets. Next, to save your parking location, after you park, open Google Maps, tap the blue dot showing your current location, select Save Your Parking. You can also add notes or a timer if needed. To check real-time traffic conditions, tap the layers icon in the top right corner of the map. Select traffic. Green means smooth, orange is moderate, and red means heavy traffic. To plan a trip with less traffic later, search for your destination and tap Directions. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, choose Set Departure or Arrival Time. Pick your preferred time to get accurate travel estimates. And that's how you unlock these powerful hidden features in Google Maps, step by step. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more mobile tricks, and drop a comment if you want part 2. That's all for the video.